Postmark, you don't have to think big. Oh, I have to buy a brand new truck to write off. You write off. They start you at 20. It has to be over 6,000 pounds. And you can buy a regular vehicle, but you're going to be able to write off less. It explains it to you, everything to you in section 179. It's very simple. You can go on irs.gov and look at everything that I'm telling you. Don't just take my word. Look at everything I'm telling you. Any question you have, please leave a comment and I will answer everyone's question. I will go through every question and answer it. The only thing I ask for is you to like or subscribe, and I will be posting a lot more videos and explaining to you a lot of things you can do to write off your taxes and the income you make. And even self-employment taxes fall under 179, section 179. You can write off so much things. Please take advantage of this stuff. Do not be scared. It's in our tax code to use these things to grow your business. The IRS tell you what to do. Tell you what vehicles you can write off. They want you to grow your business. They want you to be successful. We live in a beautiful country that want us to succeed and not fail. Please take advantage of everything. Every day I will start posting videos. I will start taking people questions, and I will let y'all speak to my CPA directly that I use to explain everything that needs to be done. If I can do it, you can do it. It's not something that's very difficult. It's not something that the IRS do not want you to take advantage of. They are begging us to take these exceptions so you can put your hard-earned money back into your business, grow your business, expand your business, and hire people. I am not a big business. I am a small business, and I got 2 employees currently working for me. And all of these advantages that I take, the IRS salutes you. Say thank you, because those employees now are paying taxes, even though you can write off their payroll as a tax write-off. Even though you can write that off, even though you can write their workers' compensation off, you still are providing jobs for people. Those people are paying taxes. And these are things that small business owners can take advantage of. Small, medium-sized businesses can take advantage of. You make under $2 million, up to $2 million, you can write off $500,000 worth of stuff. So if you owe the IRS a certain amount of money, you can take that money and invest in your company instead of just giving it to the tax man. They want you to do this. They want you to grow your company. We live in a beautiful country. Our tax laws are made for business people, not working people. So please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you like this information, and ask me any question. I will answer it and send you in a direction. I'll give you the advice that I know. I would not BS you. I would not act like I'm scared to give you any advice. You take the advice that I give you and do your own research, but I will push you and head you in the right direction so you can take advantage of these tax codes that are made for us. They are made for us. Please take advantage of them. This is my work vehicle. Brand new. Fresh out the bubble wrap. Out the dealership. Only 2 months old. Only 2 months old. Only 2 months old. I bought it the end of 2016, so it's all under section 179, and I will be able to write it off for the tax year of 2016. You have to put it in operation before by the end of December 31st of that year. So I would explain all these things to you. I'm going to start posting a lot of videos and giving out tax help with anybody that need it, because these online sellers, they're doing this stuff and scared to tell people. Why are you not giving the information out? The information is free. Give it out to people who need it. Anything you want to ask dealing with taxes, please leave a question. Please leave a question, and I will answer your question and steer you in the right place to go. This is dealing with taxes for people who are online sellers. Online sellers. It's so much we can take advantage of. Do you know you can hire your kid? Do you know that the storage that you rent, the storage space that you rent is a tax write-off? Do you know that your home office space is a tax write-off? You have so many advantages. Do you know you can hire your kid? Do you know that you can hire your spouse and pay them a salary that's comparable to the work that they do? Do you know these things? If you don't, fire your CPA, fire your tax preparer right now, and get a new one that do know this. Because you are paying taxes on things you weren't supposed to be paying taxes for. Let's take the advantage of these tax codes that are there for us. Our president did it. With depreciation, you can write off something that you lost money on for years. So if I buy a vehicle and I didn't make that much money this year, I can push it over to the following years. Do you know these things? No, if you do, okay, I'm not speaking to you. But a lot of us don't, because I didn't know it. I didn't know this information. I learned it the hard way. I'm paying all these taxes and didn't know that, listen, you can put the money back into your business to grow it. And they want you to do this because when you are buying equipment for your business, you are stimulating the economy. This is for small business owners. You can lease, finance, or you can buy it straight up. It's on you. But if you lease it, the only thing you are going to get the money on is your lease payments. But if you buy it starting at $25,000, you'll be able to write off, and then you could depreciate the rest. And they give you bonus depreciation and all that. I will explain that in follow-up videos. But I just wanted to explain to people that it's so much things that we as online sellers can take advantage of that we are not doing. We have so much advantages when it comes to our tax code. We live in a beautiful country, y'all. Let's take advantage of these tax codes that are made for people like us. The only reason why we weren't taking advantage of it, because most of us, we are actually small businesses, but for some reason we tell ourselves in our head that we're not. We tell ourselves in our head, I'm selling online, I'm making this money, I'm making more money than I was making when I was working, but I'm not a business. No, you are a business. You are your business. You source your inventory. It doesn't matter what you're selling. You are a business. So start to act like it. Please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. I will be posting videos every day. Any question you have about taxes, about what I did to taxes, I would explain it to you. I would show it to you. I would tell you everything. I will not hide from you. I don't have no secrets. Anything you want to know. As sellers, we need to share this information. It's sad. I checked online. Nobody is willing to share these advantages that we have. They would tell you, oh, I source my inventory in this place. I source my inventory in that place. Hey, but how should I handle taxes? I'm just starting out. Oh, I don't discuss taxes. You don't discuss taxes? Why? Okay, if you have something to hide, okay, cool. I can't speak for them. I'm just talking about people that are willing to put down everything they're doing, and they're doing it straight up by the book. We have too many advantages to cut corners. It makes no sense to cut corners when you're dealing with your taxes, especially as a small business owner. You have no reason. It's too many advantages they give us to write off taxes. If your husband, your spouse is working, do you realize that if your company had a loss, you can even, if y'all file together, not separate, if y'all file together, do you realize you can even write off your losses considering their earnings? So whatever they pay taxes during the year, that will be a write-off too. We have so many things that we can take advantage of. So once again, please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button, and please leave me any question. I will answer your question fully. I will tell you everything that you need to know or put you in the right direction. And I want you to research it. And I would tell you that everything I'm telling you, you can research it yourself. You can go to irs.gov and look under section 179 and look under heavy vehicles, and they would tell you the vehicles that you can buy. It's gonna blow your mind. You think they just talking about trucks? They're not talking about trucks. They talking about SUVs, pickups, all of these things that you can buy for your company, that you can purchase for your company. Instead of giving out the taxes, you will be able to write it off. It's so many advantages that we can take that nobody want to talk about. Like it's a big secret. The IRS got it big on their thing, but nobody would even steer you there. Nobody would even tell you to go. No other reseller would tell you to go to irs.gov and look up section 179. I'm just assuming maybe they CPA don't know this. Maybe they have a CPA that's just used to helping people that work a regular 9-to-5 job with their taxes. No, you have to go to a CPA that know how to deal with small business owners, online sellers. You gotta deal with somebody that knows this information. But I'm here to give it to you free. I'm going to give it to you free, and I'm going to give you everything that I know. Ask me any question, and I will answer it for you, or I will steer you in the right direction. And I will tell you exactly what I went through when I had to file for the last few years. I haven't been audited. I haven't had a problem. I'm not scared of being audited. I keep my books okay. I keep everything in line. Hard copies of everything. I'm not scared of being audited because I follow the guidelines that the IRS sets for us. Now, if they wrong, they have a problem. But these are their guidelines. They want you to grow your business. You don't have to be scared of the IRS. They're not some boogeyman in the sky. You don't have to be scared of them. As long as you follow everything they say, you're okay. What are you scared of? What is these other resellers are scared of? To give simple information to point you in the right direction. Look under section 179. If your tax preparer or your CPA is not explaining this to you, fire them now. They were no good. And if you bring this up to them and they don't know what you're talking about, explain it to them. Maybe they just don't know. Teach them something. So once again, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Every day I will post videos. I will answer every question you have. Every question you have dealing with online sellers, Mecari, Postmark, eBay, Estes, you name it. You name it, I do it. Or did it. You name it, I do it or did it. You name it. I love the hustle of selling online. I love it. You name it, I did it. But for some reason, I never had the advice where people gave about dealing with taxes. We give 100 different advice on YouTube, online, on books, but nobody want to give you information dealing with how to handle your taxes as a small business owner. Okay, once again, hit the subscribe, hit the like, and thank you. I will answer any questions. Thank you.